As companies reopen during the coronavirus pandemic, it's important to protect customers and employees from the spread of the virus. Brothers Shield offers plexiglass sneeze guards in a variety of models to serve a variety of industries. The sneeze guard for offices is great for use on desks and meeting room tables. The sneeze guard for retail stores helps you deliver excellent customer service at checkout while protecting both shoppers and employees. And our large wheeled sneeze guard is ideal for creating better separation in places like medical waiting rooms, restaurants, and salons. When people speak, cough, and sneeze, they spray tiny moisture droplets that could contain viruses and bacteria. Brothers Shield sneeze guards stops these droplets, helping prevent the spread of diseases, including COVID-19. And best of all, sneeze guards are built to last, out of high-quality materials right here in the USA. To find the right Brothers Shield sneeze guards for your company, visit brothersshield.com or call 718-759-7824.